Heather from CysterWigs.com. I don't know if you're familiar with this channel, but if you are, then you know that this is a wig review. And this is the Salon Sleek by Gabor, and the color is GL8-29. This is Gabor's version of Hazelnut. So before we do anything else, let me go ahead and do a little 360 action so you can see what Salon Sleek looks like from all sides. This is a very cute, asymmetrically cut, sort of modified pixie. She's very pixie-licious on the sides and in the back, very short in the back. The nape's only 2 inches, so very short in the back. I'm 5'8" for reference. It's definitely asymmetrically cut. This is a monofilament side part wig that has a partial bit of a lace front right where the part is. And I'll show you that in a bit more detail when I take the wig off. But you can definitely tell it's asymmetrically cut, and it's on purpose. The longer side is here on the right and the part is on the left. This is a heavily layered cut. Reminds me a little bit of Jack's by Noriko or something like that. Or Jessie, before they discontinued Jessie. This has a lot of layering here on the sides that you can manipulate and get some volume out of. She's very easy to style, poker straight hair here. Looks really cute when you tuck some of it behind your ears here. She does give you a little bit of a sideburn, but I mean, it's not terribly long, maybe a couple of inches. I love the layering on this side in particular. It's very funky looking. It's just such a fresh, razor cut little modified pixie. Let me go ahead and take Salon Sleek off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. This is a wig that I always wondered why it's not more popular, because it's so darn cute. I guess it's one of those things where people just have to see it, you know, to know that the model pictures don't really do it justice. The model pictures look so flat. And this wig actually has some personality to it, which I don't think really comes across in the model pics. That's why I like doing these videos for people, so you can see what this looks like when somebody's actually wearing it and moving and playing with it and stuff. Anyhow, Salon Sleek here has kind of basic cap construction. She does have this monofilament side part I mentioned earlier. You can see what I mean by that little partial bit of a lace front. It doesn't go temple to temple. It's literally like right here, this little sliver hits. On the left, she does have felt on the rest of the front hairline, as well as some felt that lines the perimeter of some of these cap features. She has a little bit of lace right here and a little bit of permatease hanging out over here off to the side, but it's not a lot, and it's only there to provide just enough lift to separate the layers for you so it doesn't fall flat like in the model pictures. And then you also have open wefts here on the side and in the back, an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And this one's kind of comfy on. I mean, she definitely fits true to size, but she's got some give to her. So if you're a member of the slightly bigger head tribe, slightly, there being the operative word, then this one's gonna fit very comfortably. So I like this, and I'm shocked that this one isn't hurting my head more because I have a average large cap circumference. Now it does pinch. It really does pinch, but it fits similar to like a Noriko wig. Go figure. And they're all average cap size, but just goes to show there's a little bit of variation from brand to brand. So make sure you keep your ears open. I try always to mention something to the effect of like, this fits snug, this fits tight, this fits true to size. And hopefully you guys after a while kind of get to know what I mean by that. But I'm just trying to give you a heads up that if something's kind of tight on me, it's usually gonna fit most people pretty well, honestly. And if something fits big on me, then it's gonna fit kind of largish, you know, because I have an average large circumference. So thanks for watching. I'm Heather from CysterWigs. You know, we spell it out every time, but you know, it's CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.